Senator Victor Ume said the public hearing followed a motion sponsored on the floor of the Senate about the 250 Nigerians being detained in Ethiopia prisons and were malnourished. The Senate referred the matter to the Committee on Diaspora to investigate. Senator Victor Ume said the committee had to invite the chairman, Nigeria Diaspora Commission, Mrs. Abike Dabere-Rewa, to explain alongside the killing of a master degree student in nursing, led Chibuikem in Philippines, by Chinese nationals working there. Senator Victor Ume said the committee must get to the bottom of the murder to ensure justice is served on those who committed the murder.
So it is the government of Philippines that will be in full charge of the matter. And they are the people that will ensure that justice is done. What we are demanding for at this stage is for the Philippine government to prosecute the people who were involved in the murder of this innocent Nigerian. So then the people will now know that you cannot toy with other people's lives, particularly killing a Nigerian. Any place a Nigerian that is innocent is killed outside Nigeria, my committee and the NIDCOM will move in, won't tolerate that, except those who run foul of the law.
Explaining before the committee, the chairman NIDCOM, Mrs. Abike Dabere-Rewa, said her commission has been on top of the matter and that the elder sister of the murdered student, Mrs. Blessing Essien, and leaders of students' unions of Commonwealth Students Association country representative, Mr. Owebe Chiduikem, and the president of the National Association of Nigerian Students in Diaspora, Comrade Prince John Oga Esquire, also appeared before the committee to explain how it happened. Mrs. Abike Dabere-Rewa said she wants the Senate to find a way out on how the matter can be addressed.
And these are very serious cases. It's about the work. We need to do something to help the family bring about closure. Mr. Chairman, we've been making those demands on you, and we look forward to you being able to make this happen. So that is the situation now. The morgue is very expensive, where it's been kept there, but the Philippine ambassador is going to be summoned by the minister. We are seeing him too, and we're demanding that this case cannot be swept under the carpet. But in fairness to the Philippine authorities, they are cooperating. So that is the situation, and I again accept our condolence on the death of Emmanuel, but we'll work with you for closure for the family. And closure is knowing that whoever did this to him is not working about freedom.
Cross-examining the leaders of the students' unions, they have this to say.
What the chairman NIDCOM reported, that's the much we also know. And what we are soliciting for, in the petition we rendered to the Senate, we had solicited support. Aside getting justice for my only brother, we also solicit that the federal government will assist in bringing his remains back.
There should be also support, and consular services made readily available for Nigerian students in diaspora. We've come to raise our voice to say there should be justice for Chibuikem.
And since then, we have been in constant touch with the chapter in Philippines, the Nigerian embassy, especially the consular, and they have been doing their best, including the Nigerian community in Cebu, where the incident took place. They are the ones that paid for the deposit of his remains in the mortuary, did some other payments to enable the hospital authorities to accept his body for safekeeping.
Senator Victor Ume said the committee will ensure the Philippines ambassador is invited within 1 week. Topsy Gemba, ASO Television News.